Welcome to At Home with Carla. This is where I like to share my life with my family, friends, or pets. I do some DIY projects, cooking, and recently added prepping to the list. So I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching. The wild skunk is doing good. He's getting bigger, or she. We have a lot of straw out in the backyard shed, so these two cats will have it pretty warm. I hope they get along good. And the one we trapped is doing really good. Good morning or afternoon, whatever it is where you are. I hope you're doing good. Today I'm putting a lemon squeezer on my list, my shopping list today. Chicken for the dogs. Chicken for supper. Breakfast time. The beginning part of this video has a lot of cooking, so if you're not into food or cooking, feel free to skip ahead. Thanks for watching. Going to make meatballs and meatloaf, and I'm going to call this video the music meal. This part of it anyway. Time for snacks. Time for blueberry oatmeal muffins.
Well, I'll be hornswoggled.
It's done.
And him, you don't care.
Time for dessert.
Hit me.
Hit me. Hit not on the carpet.
Yeah, I'm ready. Hit me. I just. There you go.
Take it. He won't.
Oh, jeez. Oh my God.
Oh, Lord. Stopped at the Target store. We're under a weather warning for our area. It's melting right away when it hits the ground, but I should probably head home, but I want to make one more stop. I don't know how much we're going to get. I haven't even listened to the weather today. This is kind of a surprise. For many years while doing massage, I could never have long fingernails, so I decided that I'm going to wear artificial ones for a little while. I really like having nails again, so I'm happier than a lark.
Somebody's making chocolate chip cookies.
Well, there's some things in this world are essential to my being, like fresh air for my lungs, a morning jolt to that sweet caffeine. I can do without some luxury. One thing must remain. I gotta have my chocolate chip cookies, the gray that matters in my brain. So fire up the oven, 350 some degrees. Take a bite of that raw cookie dough and feel the weakness about your knees.
I had a couple cookies, but I'm still trying to cut back on my sugars, so my husband got most of them. But thank you for watching. This is a shorter video, not too much going on this week, but I hope that you're having a safe day, a good day. God bless you, and we'll see you soon.